It is Braves in Brooklyn. I'm in straight Brooklyn. I'm about to do a great job on my Suzuki 650. This shit is easy as hell. Come follow me over to my world, people. What it do? Got my boy up on that. What it do? What it do, Biggie?
What up, what up? All right.
So this brake job is pretty easy. Follow me here. Brakes. Ah! Bugs. No need to hit them. Yeah, we got them. I want to get with them. So, this is a ground clamp, people. You open up the ground clamp. Being that I keep driving my bike, well, I might keep going down pretty much.
So when
you want to open up
picked it up?
My bike?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got to. The first time when I dropped it, I couldn't pick it up. But once you learn that it's just pure adrenaline, you got to go for it, right? Right. Let me see. Why is this clamp not opening, people? This is my brake job. All right. See, open that clamp. You see that? Open, mouth, clamp, open. Onto brake lever, which is missing. Of course, you know the knob. Suzuki 650, people. It's brazen. We do this all day. So what I'll do is put the clamp on. I'll insert the clamp on just thus, like thus. Open it up much wider to give me maximum clearance. This is a classic brake job. We're going to put this in the books. Now, it's on. You see, people? Take screwdriver, extended version or short. Either way, I prefer a long handle version. Buddha bow, Buddha bang. We're going to tighten that, guys. Tighten that to just 350 pressure PSI torque. Tighten as much as you can, guys, because this is between you and braking. Yeah. Now, there we go, guys. Brake job. Let's do this again. Brazen, Brooklyn. One.